This 36V 100Ah CHINS lithium battery gives golf carts a strong, steady power band with noticeably quicker takeoff and better hill performance than typical lead-acid packs. The built-in Bluetooth monitoring and companion application make it easy to keep an eye on voltage, temperature, and cell balance in real time, so you can spot issues before they become problems. Included in the box is a matching 36V 25A charger that can refill the pack in only a few hours, which is a major convenience upgrade over slow traditional charging. Because it uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry with a robust battery management system, this pack is designed for a very high cycle life and essentially maintenance-free ownership compared with flooded batteries. The single compact case drops into most standard golf cart battery bays, freeing up space and cutting a large amount of weight, which simplifies installation and improves overall handling. Its sturdy enclosure and protections against overcharging, overcurrent, and harsh weather conditions make it a dependable choice for carts that see regular outdoor use.